Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I will walk you through how to change your ringtone and set custom ringtones on iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. Let's dive in. First, head to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. From there, tap on Ringtone. You will see a list of pre-installed ringtones. Simply tap the one you want to set and you are all done. With iOS 26, it is easier than ever to use a custom song for your ringtone. You can use any audio file that is 30 seconds or less. If you have a longer song, you will need to use an audio editor to trim it down. You can download audio files directly from the web using Safari or transfer them from another device. Here is how to set it. Open the Files app and navigate to the folder where you have saved your custom ringtone. Tap and hold on the audio file. Then select Share. In the share sheet, you should see an option that says Use as ringtone. Tap it to set your new ringtone. To remove a custom ringtone, simply swipe left on the ringtone in the ringtone list and tap the delete button. And that's it. I hope this video helped you customize your iPhone sound. If you'd like more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.